so excited about Regen tonight.
I know, right?
But first, we need to figure out who attacked Marshall.
Where were you last week, Sean?
I was on my couch.
Says here you weren't at Connect Group.
Didn't really see it as a priority.
You didn't see it as a priority. You don't think that connecting with others and getting to know people in our great church community is important.
I was busy?
We're all busy! Make sure you're there next week.
Well, that escalated quickly.
This seems like a problem I can solve. 1, 14, 13, red, wait, purple, wait, yeah.
Well, if it isn't the PSI boy.
That stands for Problem Solving Investigation.
More like problem starting investigation. Where's your partner?
More importantly, where are you going to be in January?
That seems a little far in advance.
I believe the correct answer was you're going to be at the Phillip Island Young Adults Retreat.
Yeah, early bird closes Monday the 30th September and it only costs $155.
Great, sign me up. Problem solved.
Anyway, do you by any chance know what happened to Marshall? He's been attacked and we don't know where he is.
We have absolutely no idea.
I think he went to the beach.
Cool, thanks man.
Cool.
Well, if it isn't Marshall.
Sorry guys, I haven't got time to talk. I got a jet.
Are you aware of what's coming up on Sunday the 8th of September?
September. Time flies.
Marshall, it's the Regen worship night.
Are you going to be there?
That's classified.
Marshall, your ego is running shit! Shut your mouth, guys!
Jokes, I'll fly by guys.
I can't believe we're nearly at the end of the news and we still haven't figured out who attacked Marshall.
Didn't we just speak to Marshall?
Well, we probably should have asked him who attacked him while we actually spoke to him. Chief is not gonna like this.
Oh, here he comes. We're in so much trouble.
Well, Nathan, I think I've learned something today.
And what's that?
That drama is clearly not our thing.
Dude, you just broke the fourth wall. You're not allowed to look at the camera.
I do what I want, when I want. And I dance when I want.
Yeah, well, there's not going to be any dancing.
I'm going to give the people what they want.
Who are these people?
It's dancing time. With big text.